Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today is 2023, 19th of September. Thank you so much for coming back. Right, thank you so much guys. Alright, good morning to everybody in the West, Europe, right, and also US. Okay, so good afternoon to the people in Asia. Well, so how's everything? Okay, yes, hello, hi Kati, hi Popcorn, Sam, nice to see all of you. Bradley, thank you so much. Well, okay, I guess we are going in today, and yesterday was having a very boring day. Correct, but nevertheless, okay, well, do remember to smash the like button, okay, so that to kick off this video going. All right, thank you so much. Yeah, and let's take a look, okay, with our MT4. All right, thank you guys for coming in. Okay, so thank you so much. Yes, hopefully everything is good. Right, let's see if everything over here yesterday, how's yesterday? Let's take a look. What's yesterday? Yesterday was hovering for this range. Within this range, there's nothing that we can do. Perhaps some of you have grabbed some profits here. All right, for the selling. Yeah, and other than that, yeah, and over at this part here, but that was in the midnight already. This is in my midnight, Okay. Okay, hi Hubert. All right, thank you for connecting up. All right, hi Sabrina, thank you. Yeah. Hi Christopher, thank you so much. Yeah. 你好. All right, so yep, same thing. I will conduct this session in English, and if you have any inquiries in Mandarin, yeah, you also can shoot it up. I will answer you in Mandarin. All right. 如果你是中文的，会听中文的话呢，就用中文打上来哈。All right. So yep, and let's go on. All right. Okay, and I guess today, let's take a look. Let me take a look. We are going to have this Canada dollar with CPI month tonight later on. So probably, yeah, the CAD wise may experience some slow movement today during this hour, during this session. Okay, so not to forget this week we also have a FOMC on 2 days, on the 21st September. Okay, so looks like they are going to maintain the rate at 5.5. So looks like this week, these 2 days, we are going to looks like it's going to really go slow. Okay, yeah, likely. Okay, yeah, so probably, okay, then never mind, whatever it is. Okay, we will just trade according to the situation. Okay, then we will see how it goes. Okay, yep, and yep, yes, and now my default will be on the pound dollar. All right, my default will be on the pound dollar. So if you have any other currency pairs that you wish to discuss it together, okay, please feel free. Okay, please feel free. Right, so please feel free to voice it out in our comment, and then we will discuss it together. Okay, right. Hopefully, yeah, hopefully the sound is good, huh? Okay, hopefully, yeah, because we have some minor renovation going on the next door, so probably I need to speak louder if you cannot hear me. Okay, do let me know. All right, guys. Okay. Yep, and there we go. today I have picked up some currency pairs: Aussie CAD, Aussie Yen, Aussie Dollar, Euro CAD, Euro Dollar, Pound CAD, Pound Yen, Pound Dollar, and Dollar CAD. All right, yeah, and all these are the currency pairs. Okay, so yep, let's have a proper sitting position posture. Okay, so that we'll have a good posture to keep the body strong enough. Yeah, that's right. Okay, yeah, and guys, for guys who actually yeah, okay, let me put in this as well. Okay, so that everybody can join in. Okay, can join in my Discord channel. Okay, so we tentatively the Discord channel over here. All right, yeah, and let me also right, let's go. Okay, yep. Okay, so over at this point here, yep. Okay, yes, Khatib, what is that, Khatib? I sold dollar CAD around 134,919. Where can I expect TP in 4 hours time frame? Okay, dollar CAD. Okay, let's take a look. Dollar CAD. Right, dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD myself. 134,919. Okay, dollar CAD actually 919. Huh? Okay, 919 is about here. Okay, 919. Okay, first of all, let me analyze this dollar CAD. First of all, I see dollar CAD has great potential. Okay, I see great potential to 133,940, which is about I would say that tentatively by looking into this. Okay, from current price down to 133,940, we should have about 83 pips. Okay, that's quite a big space for that. Okay, so if you're looking into this 4 hours, I think we should be going down to take a look. 919. 919. 134,919 around here. Okay, dollar CAD. Right. Okay, so dollar CAD 919 over here, you're running about 16 pips now. Okay, so one, two. But for dollar CAD, we may experience some pullbacks, you know. Okay, we may experience some pullback over here. Tentatively, okay, I will be looking into this area here. Once it breaks through, 1, 2, 3. I'll be looking at about 134,432. 134,432. Okay, 134,432. All right. Okay, so 134,432. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at. Okay, but however, all right. However, for this dollar CAD, all right, because tentatively the market is not active enough. Okay, they may have some pullback. Okay, so you need to pay attention to the movement. Is it okay? All right. Okay, so but basically for dollar CAD, I see there's still good chance. Okay, as we know, recently we have for the oil. Okay, we have already some release. Okay, and also the price surge, I think is quite strong for candy. Okay, which is Canadian dollar. I see that there may be a good chance the dollar against the CAD may be slipping off. Okay, all right. Yeah, it may be slipping off over there. Yeah. Okay, so that's for the dollar CAD. But I'm also looking for dollar CAD for selling today. Okay, so there will be a good chance. Okay, before it reaches 133.940, I will have a good chance to look at the 134.432 as well. So by looking into this, we still have about 34 pips to go. Okay, we still have around 34 pips to go. All right, but of course, we still have to take note. Okay, that may have some pullback over this area. Okay. Yeah, because 1, 2 selling off, then now it's taking out the whole area here. Yeah, we may have some pullback to look out for resistance to continue the selling. Okay, all right. Yep, and okay, so that's for dollar CAD. Okay, so now let's come back here. Right, so if you have anything, just let me know. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we have another 45 minutes before the London market opens. Okay, so just be patient. Okay, currently we don't have much to go. Okay, so at the moment, probably, okay, we will need to wait for a little while. Okay, we need to wait for a little while. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's enjoy some coffee while waiting. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Let me see. Today, looks like even for the pound, we are also going a bit slow today, huh? Okay, as for the pound, we are also going quite slow today. So guys, please be patient. Okay, do be patient. Yeah. Okay. Yes. At the moment, yeah. Yep, yum saying. Cheers. Cheers. Okay. Yeah. Ever since I met John, he telling me about kahawa. I started my coffee again. I find that coffee is always the aroma, is so nice, so beautiful. Whenever any sip goes in, it always gives me a fantastic feeling. Okay. Right. Okay, so for pound dollar, okay, let's do some planning. Okay, while waiting, pound dollar to be exact, over here we can see we are ranging around this area here. So it may be I would say it may be a little bit tricky today. Okay, we need to have some movement. Okay, we need to have some movement today, so that it will be better for us to analyze and trade. Okay, then so likely, okay, I'm going to wait for London market to open before I actually take any action. All right, so like now it's very flat. Okay, even for the Asian market is also very, very flat. So we also need to find some ways, somehow, the yen, the yen flounders. Okay, so again, well, not easy. Okay, the dollar drift ahead of the central bank. Okay, so you know what, So you know, my mood is just like a chart now, staying very dead, very flat. It's so flat. Okay, I also don't know where should I go. Okay, I have I'm falling into a state of indecisiveness. Okay, there isn't any decision to be made for now. Okay, so yep, just hang on. Okay, just hang on. Yeah, all right. Yeah, so luckily I will say that let's see. Okay, just wait for a little while because really not much movement there. Okay, for myself, I'm looking into selling of the pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar, we still have some good space down to sell. I still see around this area, 68 pips to go. Okay, 68 pips to go. But the thing is that, okay, with this part here, if we are going to sell the pound dollar, I see that, you know, I see that it should have somehow or rather it should meet up with some resistance before I can continue the selling, you see. All right, so at the moment, by looking into this area here, can you see the resistance over at this point here? Yeah, so these are the areas of support. See, can you see we are actually hovering around the support, going a bit ranging for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. Okay. So what to do? Correct. Okay, so just hang on. Okay, I guess now the best strategy is to wait. Okay. Okay, so just wait first. Okay, and hopefully that by then when the market opens, okay, London market opens, it should shoot up for a good one. Okay. Yep, and yes, all right. Hi JJ, nice to see you. Okay, so well, I think that's the best now. Okay, well, and let's see if we can take a look at this for the pound dollar to go up first, because if I'm a seller, I need to see some, you know, I need to see that it goes up before I actually able to sell. Correct? Okay, so yep, so still need to wait for a little while. Okay, let's see. Currently, okay, currently I would say that maybe, yeah. Okay, I see you. Okay, if you're on my Facebook, do hop into my YouTube channel. Okay, right, you have a link up there, you can click and join in. Okay, so that I can see you directly here. Okay. Okay, I can see you directly here so that we can engage in the real time. Okay, because on the Facebook I may miss out your messages. Okay, yeah. Okay, so yes, and well, currently I see that the pound dollar, I'm waiting for pound dollar to, the best is I can see that either it goes up to 124.015, then start to sell down. If not, I will wish to wait for it to break the support at 123.75. Okay, then after that, retest this as a resistance to continue the selling. Wow, which means I'm going to wait. If I'm going to wait for the breaking of this support, it's going to be a long while, man. Okay, it's going to be a long while. So at the moment, I think that is not the. Hopefully it still gives us some chance. Okay, if not, then we are going to wait for the pound dollar to go for a buy first. Okay, which is about another 27 pips up there. Okay. So hopefully, yeah, yes, you can see 27 pips, right? About 27, yeah, about here, 27 pips up there. Yeah. Slow. Yes, Sabrina, you're right. It's slow. Okay. So by looking into this part here, okay, looking into Sydney market here, it's already showing that the liquidity is very low today. Yeah. And yes, correct. Okay. Yeah. So no choice. Okay, we got to obey the market. Okay, and not going against the market. Am I right? Yeah. So just hang on. You see, even for now, the selling down. Wow, this is really slow. Okay. Yeah. Just wait for a little while. Okay. So while waiting, okay, we can share around. Okay, we can share around your questions. Okay, and share your ideas. If you have any, do let me know. Okay, and also remember to share my video out. Okay, thank you so much. All right, so yeah, let's see. Okay. Well, okay, hopefully it's breaking out. The next hour should it be showing that it's breaking out of the support area here. Okay, to be exact, over here. Okay. Yeah. Hopefully, but not now yet. It's still long way to go. Okay. Still a long way to go. Yeah. Okay, let's see. If I'm going to move this up, okay. Let's take a look. Oh, this is really very tight, huh? Can we see? It's really so tight. The resistance and the support over at this point here. Wow, it looks like we have very tight space. It's going to be a challenge on our discipline and emotions. Okay, so yeah, I guess this is going to be interesting. Yeah. Okay. So just hang on. All right. Okay. Hi 168. Sawadee krap. Nice to see you here. Well, okay. Let's see. Okay. Are we into any form of we are into a ranging area. This is so boring, right? Okay. But it's okay. Just wait. Okay. You have me, I have you. Okay. Okay. So now it's trying to break the support. Okay. So allow it to break the support first. Okay. So let's wait for it to break the support. Then after that, then we will be looking into the area to see whether that is going to retest, and then we will see if there's a chance that it's going to sell off from there. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Okay. I'm going to wait for it for a little while. Okay. I'm going to wait for a little while to see if there is any chance, okay, to go for retesting. Okay. Then after that we will see if there's any form of selling off from this area. Then we will continue the selling. Okay, because as you can see, for the past few days it has been selling off down here, and it started to since yesterday it has started to hover around here. So this area, as we shrink down the whole chart for the past 2 days, we can see that the consolidation is there. So it started to consolidate. So what to do? Okay, when there's consolidation, so always avoid, correct? We always avoid trading during the consolidation. So let's wait and see if we can get out. Okay, if there is any form, any ideas, okay, that we can get out of the consolidation area, then we will continue to trade. All right. So for euro dollar, okay, let's take a look. Yeah, euro dollar. Well, euro dollar now, somehow is slightly better. Okay, slightly better. All right. for euro dollar today, I'm also looking out for some sellings because I see that there will be a good chance they are going to take out this area. Okay, so we have around this area about 30 pips of space, which not a big one. Okay, so we can only do some scalping. All right, we can only do some scalping from this area here. So by looking into this part here, okay, we can see actually for euro dollar, we are actually moving towards the north. Okay, we are moving towards the north. So the resistance area, okay, is supposed to be here, and but the thing is that if they need to go up, okay, if they want to go up, they need to find a support. So I'm looking at this area of support that they may come back here again before they goes up. Okay, so we can grab the opportunity, okay, before it started the buying, as it's looking for support. Then from this area we can do some selling, okay, to grab some profit before it started to buy up. Okay, yeah, so that's one. And of course that's for the euro dollar. Yeah, pound cat. Okay, let's take a look at pound cat. Right, pound cat, we are on the selling spree. Okay, I think it's quite obvious we are on the selling spree, but the selling spree today, I think today is still looking good over at this point here. Okay, this area here, right? So yeah, this area. Then over at this area here, as we can see, it's still selling off, okay, nicely. And we are actually approaching one support, okay, over at this area here. So we still have some space down there to take, okay, of course, but not a lot. We have about 80 pips. Is it 80 pips? Let me see. Let me zoom in and take a look. About 70 pips. Okay, about 70. So that what are we looking out for the pound cat is to sell or some selling, but of course let's wait for it to get some resistance again, then before we actually go for the selling. Okay, not very clear yet. Okay, but that's why we need the London market again. Okay, so that it can give us a clearer picture. Hopefully it can goes up first. Okay, hopefully for pound cat it should goes up for a little while, then after that to pull out a space before we start the selling again. All right, yeah, that's hopefully, okay, that's my plan. If it's actually continue the selling off, then unfortunately perhaps we may not have any chance. Okay, so let's see over at this area here. Yeah, this may be the chance. Okay, yeah, that may be the idea. All right, okay, hi, Merry Christmas, nice to see you here. Wow, okay, yeah, I had 2 good nights of sleep after burning one whole day, 24 hours without sleeping. Finally. Okay, yes, okay, and let's take a look at euro dollar. Euro dollar, we talked about euro dollar just now. Okay, so let's take a look at the euro cat. Okay, euro cat. Okay, euro cat over here. Okay, yeah. Hi, Quack. RHB. What is RHB? RHB Bank. Okay. Yeah, okay, so anyway, yep. And for this, okay, for this, yes, sorry, what? Wrong window must be. Okay, so yeah, let's take a look. Euro cat, okay, euro cat over here, I'm looking for selling into price of 144.300 because I'm waiting for euro cat to look out for the resistance, then go on the selling, because right now we are actually on one of the supports over here. So that is one. Okay, that is one. All right, so over at this area here, we have one support. So I'm actually, for euro cat wise, I'm looking into buying first. Okay, then after that I'm looking out for some selling later on. So I need to see some of the resistance to be formed for the euro cat. Okay, so that's one. Okay, so yep, and Eurocad, okay, that's for Eurocad. Okay, so what else do we Aussie dollar? Okay, for the Aussie currency pairs. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, for this area here, for the Aussies, we are actually looking out for in the bear market, but there are some struggling area that we can see is over here. All right, so over from here, okay, over at this side here, we can see that at this point here, the selling is possible, okay, but it may not be long term, because actually is right now they are all looking out into this area. Okay, they are looking out into this area of 64, yeah, 0.64, just nice. Okay, yeah, around this area here. So this may be the area here. Okay, so let me make some adjustment here. Okay, so this is the one I'm looking out for. Okay, and we have a support over here right now. We are now in the area of resistance, so looking out to break this 64,290 to sell down into 6,400. Okay, 64,000. Okay, 0.64. Okay, so 28. We have about 28 pips there. All right, we have about 28 pips there. So after which, for this area here, then probably they will continue the buying. Okay, so this should be the area they are looking out for as a support. So same thing as they are looking out for support, I'm actually doing some selling off here. Then I will be trading on a scalping strategy. Okay, just to scalp on this area. All right. For Aussies wise, I think it should be quite slow for these few weeks. Okay, not surprised that it's going very slow. Okay, so we can just be a bit careful. Okay, for Aussie yen over here, now we are approaching the resistance, so I'm waiting for it to come. Okay, then okay, so let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 4. Let me see. Let me check. hang on. Okay, let me see. For the Aussie yen should be still on the buying. It should be still on the buying side. Okay, it should be still on the buying side, huh? Okay, 1 here. Okay, 1, 2. Yep. So Aussie yen, I need Aussie yen to test onto the resistance. Without breaking the resistance, it should be holding it down. Okay, it should be holding it down to break 94.3. 94.3. Then I will be taking this area. Okay, 33 pips down to 94.600. Okay, to 94.600 over here. So I need to break 94.3, then over to 94.600. Okay, all right. Then after which we should be looking into Aussie CAD. I find that the Aussie CAD is one of the potential one. Okay, Aussie CAD. Okay, so for the Aussie CAD, let me remove this. Okay, this was yesterday. We're having a night. Yeah, we're having a class for that, right? Aussie CAD. Okay, for those who are still holding on the Aussie CAD, okay, continue to hold it first. Okay, because as what we had discussed yesterday, we are actually looking into 0.86566. Okay, 0.86566. So still there. Okay, we are very near to our target. Okay, so over here, yeah, I mean about 10 pips away. Okay, it's about 10 pips away. All right. Okay, so over at this point here, so for the Aussie CAD, still on the selling side, and then from here to here, we have about 30 pips. Okay, so let's see if this is going to break the 86.566, then I think there will be a good chance that it should be still continue the selling. Okay, all right. Yeah, and that will be one. Okay, that will be one for that. Okay, Yes, and I see that, yeah, the gold wise, okay. Okay, so for the gold wise, I think right, as for the gold, as we know, over here, okay, we have okay, I think because of some currently, because of the situation, okay, that how should I say, because I was being reminded not to mention it. Okay, anyway, there's some economy, okay, some situations, okay, that there are some politicians, they are visiting each other, and you know, with some you know, some discussion about the economy of the world. Okay, then I think probably that may give this goal a push. They may give the goal a push. All right, and of course, I think the gold price wise is also waiting for the FOMC. Okay, they are also waiting for the FOMC. So that may also be one of the reasons that the gold should be still on the escalating side. Okay, so it should be ascending up to around, by looking into this area here. I'm looking into this whole area here. Okay, about 1947. Okay, 1947. Well, if we are looking out for some short-term profits, okay, if there's a selling opportunity, we should be looking at 1923. Okay, 1923. All right. So for me, okay, I am still looking at 1873. Okay, 1873, there will still be a good chance, okay, that it may be selling off down to 1873. 1873. Okay, so that means a long term. That's for the swing. Okay, so long term. So probably that may be a good chance there. Okay, so but of course we need to watch out for the resistance before it can actually go down to 1873. Okay, 1873. Huh. All right. Okay. Yeah. And yes. We are going into the last 15 minutes, okay, before the London market is going to open. Okay, yep. Exciting, huh? Okay, so let's go back to let's take a look at our, okay, yeah, Bitcoin. So yesterday, not yesterday, sorry, just it has a highest hit on the last week on about 28. So it's sorry, not last week. Okay, over here last month, huh? Then after that, this yesterday was hit at 27. For me, I would say that tentatively, are we waiting for the SEC, okay, to announce the new? So we will need to wait and see if that will be good. Okay, all right. Yep. Okay, so let's hang on first. Okay. 27, I think let's wait. I think because I'm all waiting for SEC. Okay, I think we are all waiting for the SEC before we actually be able to see that crypto should be shooting up. Okay, I think no matter what, once the deadline is up, they will give an answer. Okay, so that we can see that whether they will pass through. Okay, so if that pass through, I think that should be quite a good one. Okay, for the crypto. Okay, yeah. Hi Alan, nice to see you here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, back to pound dollar. Okay. Oh, it didn't manage to break the support. I'm waiting for it to break the support. Okay, alternatively, it should be going up again to 124.015. 124.015. Okay, just wait. Okay. Okay. Have to wait for a while. Okay. Well. Uh-huh. Okay. Yes. Okay. I will still be here tomorrow. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I will be. Yes. I'm going to be quite. No. I mean, I'm going to be quite busy for quite a while. Okay. Especially now it's coming to the last quarter of the year. Okay, last quarter of the year usually is the time for me to do up plannings for the next year. Am I right? Okay. So yeah. So let's wait for a little while first. Okay. Every year is the same. Yeah. The schedule is really tight. Especially I mean it's not supposed to be so tight. Okay, until last October. Okay. I think all the major borders has opened up. Okay, so yeah, I'm back to my flying schedule again. Yeah, so when I'm not here, that means I'm flying. Okay. Okay, but I'm not a steward. Okay, anyway. Okay, so yep. Oh yeah, I have long forgotten about my Facebook account. Okay, so anyway, guys, all right, yeah, come, let's see. Okay, well, the economy data going to release today. Okay, so CPI on the loonie, all right, and also not to forget to avoid trading during that period of time. Okay, so for the pound, okay, we are very slow now today. It seems like these 2 days they are going to test our patience. Okay, it's going to test our patience. So be very careful. Okay, be very careful. Right. Yeah, and yeah. So yes. Hi, Laughter. Nice to see you here. Your flight attendant when you're not here. No. No, I'm not. I don't think myself, even like looks, I don't think I'm qualified for that. Okay. Okay. I'm actually flying around for seminars. Okay, and also for the on-site classes, right, in different countries, right? Okay. So yeah, so this year, okay, I think next year there will be more. This year still okay. I think for the last quarter here, I have another 2 months to go. Okay, about 2 months to go. Yeah, I'm working out with my guys that hopefully that they can work something out in every individual countries. So when we are having a live trading on site over there, I can also bring myself online with all of you here. Okay, we are still working on it. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Right. So yep. Yeah, Sabrina. Yeah. See, I'm gonna see you very soon. Yes. Yeah. I think I can't remember the schedule. I think is it October? End of October? I think it should be end of October, right? Okay, I'll be in Philippines. Yeah. And then after that, Korea. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So let me finish all my Asian trip. All my Asian trip. Okay. Okay. Hopefully I can get it done. Yeah. Yeah, Hubert. Okay, yeah. Then after that, I'll be in Taiwan. Okay, and after that, I'll be in Hong Kong. Yeah, Taiwan, Hong Kong, Philippines, Korea. Then after that will be Taiwan, Hong Kong. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yeah. All right. Yes. Your last trip in Japan. Yep. Yes. Japan. Then after that will be still a few more to go. Yep. Okay, so let's wait. We have about 9 minutes to go. All right, 9 minutes to go. Okay. Well, it's like I think this week is going to be very it's going to be very relaxed in trading, because I think today and tomorrow, I guess many of us are waiting for the FOMC. Okay, so we are waiting for the FOMCs and to really see how the rate is going to be like, but most likely it's going to stay at 5.5. Okay, yeah, it's going to stay at 5.5, and then but then again on the Thursday 21st, okay, it's going to be a very rocky day. Okay, because after right in the morning, my morning GMT +8, okay, we should be expecting one round from the FOMC. Then after that we have GDP from the Kiwi. Then after that we are going to have SMB, okay, from the franc, as well as POW. Wow, okay, POW, we're going to have the MPS, MPC, and also unemployment claims on the dollar. Wow, on the Thursday is going to be very rocky, huh? Okay, so Friday once again is another rocky day. Okay, so beginning of the weeks, first half of the week we are not we are going to be boring, and the second half we are going to get crazy. Okay, so just make sure that anyway we should be YouTube says it has suspended Russell Brand from making what? Russell Brand making money through his platform after sexual assault allegation. Okay, yeah, wow, it's news from BBC. Okay, yeah, okay. Hi Joshua, nice to see you here. Thank you for coming back. Right, and yeah, these 2 days we are going to be very slow, huh? We're going to be very slow because of just now, as I mentioned. Okay, just 1 minute ago, yeah, FOMC. Yeah. Okay, so meanwhile, my plans here. Okay, so I'm waiting. There may be a chance that it's going to hit 123.877 over at this point here. Then from here, there may be a good chance to swing down to try to break the support. But we only have 14 pips again. It's very small, very tight. Huh? There's not enough liquidity in the market today. Okay. I think I think it's not really very. I should go on. We should go on holiday for today and tomorrow, huh? So slow. Okay. Okay. Anyway, let's be patient. Okay. Gotta wait. When we need to wait, we have to wait. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You know, I learned about this sentence. Should walk, don't walk. Should read, don't read. So should wait, don't wait. Okay. Okay. So most of the time, right, we are we may fall into this category, right? Okay. When we know when we should walk around the blocks, okay, we should walk around the street. It's good for the health. When we should read, but when we should read, we don't read. We should walk, we don't walk. And in forex trading, when we should wait, we don't wait. Am I right? Yeah. Does it sound familiar? Yeah, from Jim Rom, huh? Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that I'm listening to him every day, every morning. Yeah, now. Okay, so 4 minutes to go. Let's wait for a little while. When we should wait, huh? Okay. Yeah. And again, is that where are we now? Yes. Hi Fernando, nice to see you. Today I'm up by 5 minutes earlier. Yes, 5 minutes earlier. Okay, that's a good improvement. Okay, and okay, yes, what is that? Taking a look at the goal. Okay, right, let's take a look at the goal. Let's take a look. The goal. Earlier on, I was saying that the goal. First of all, I'm looking at the goal. My target is 1873. Okay, 1873. Okay. So, however, I think the goal should be on the escalating side first. Okay. By looking at the goal, it should be more onto the escalating side. I'm looking out to take about 1947. Okay, after that, there may be a good selling down there. Okay, so at the moment, it needs a support. So probably the support maybe comes in at about 1923. Okay, so this area here. So 1923 is one that this may be selling off here to take the support to move upwards to take 1947. Yeah, that's my take. Okay, so then probably from 1947, then after that we for now, as for the goal, we need a lot of fundamental. Okay, we need a lot of fundamental informations so that we be able to see whether it will start the selling off. Okay, so for now I'm looking at moving to the north at 1947. $1947 will be one much more promising, huh? It will be much more promising. Okay. Okay. In the crap. All right, 2 minutes to go. Okay, 2 minutes to go. Okay, 2 minutes to go. I see there may be a good chance. Okay, 2 minutes. Let's see if there's any movement when the London markets open. Okay. Oh yeah. Let's have a good stretch to get ready. 1 minute to go, right? 1 minute to go, 30 seconds. Okay. 30 seconds to go. All right, yeah, let's see. First of all, I wish to see pound to move up first, move towards the north. From there, then probably we may want to, it may reach 123.877 or to 124.015. Then I will be taking this area here. At least we have 28 pips to 30 pips. Okay, 28 to 30. This area here. Okay, yeah. Good morning, London. Okay. Hopefully to see some movement. Okay, hopefully to see some movement. If not, it's not going to be entertaining. All right. It's going to be so slow again. I'm a seller, of course. I will be looking out for some buying first. Okay, this area is one. Okay. Okay, good. Now it's approaching. Yeah, for scalpers, we are looking for this area, right? Okay, buying trades. Okay, so you are looking into this area, 7 pips for scalpers. Okay, 123.877. Okay, about around there. It can be also 123.894. Okay, yeah, so it should be going on the buy side. Okay, yep. Oh, okay. Right, that's good. Keep going. Okay, keep going. All right. Hi, Derek. Nice to see you here. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I think it should be there. All right, should be there. Hopefully, yeah. Let's see. We are all now waiting, huh? Yep. Okay, just hang on, All right, hang on first. Okay. What is that? Okay. Dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. Okay, let's take a look at dollar yen. Dollar yen, we are on the right now. It seems that we are on the resistance. Okay, but dollar yen wise, I think it's good to avoid. Okay, it's good to avoid. I'm not very keen in dollar yen now. Okay, because I'm a seller. So for buyers, since I'm avoiding dollar yen, you should be looking out for dollar yen, huh? Okay, dollar yen should be still on the buy side. It should be still on the buy side. Okay, it should be still on the buy side. Yes, correct. That's right. Okay. Okay, so let's hang on for a little while. Okay. Yep. Dollar yen. Nobody is touching dollar yen. Okay. I don't know. Okay. If you're buying, I think it's still good. Okay. I think buying is still good. But not now yet. I think probably after, I think on the Thursday. Okay. I think Thursday will be good. Thursday will be good to look out for dollar yen into action. Yeah. But not now. I think now it's not really that good yet. Okay. Alright, Derek. If you're looking for selling for dollar yen, I still see the buying is still there. So not really that fantastic yet. Okay. There may be some selling off from now to this area. Okay, which we only have about 26 pips, which is very unusual. Okay, this space is a bit too small, a bit unusual. Okay, so I will still see that there may be 26 pips only, but the 26 pips of selling is against the trend, so better to stay away for a while. Okay, better to stay away for a while. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Okay, that's good. All right, pound dollar. Yeah, pound dollar. Pound dollar, yeah, pound dollar, okay. Pound dollar, I think probably over here we should be waiting for it to achieve 123.877. Same, should be still there, okay. There's a rejections there over, yeah, okay, there's some rejections over here, okay, so over at this point here, correct, okay. Will that constitute into a, was that constitute into a selling? May not be, but I'm just waiting for the liquidity to come in, okay, I'm just waiting for the liquidity to come in, yeah, okay, so still waiting, okay. Just in case, okay, so just wait first, okay. We need to be very sure, okay, we need to be very sure before we actually pump in a trade, okay. Okay, so just be patient, yep. All right. Okay, for now, yep. And yes, KH, hi, GN, Pound Kiwi. Right, Pound Kiwi looking into selling, however, now support is there. Hang on, let's see. If you are selling down to the support, this may be the last wave, huh? This may be the last wave. So grabbing this area here. Yeah, this may be the last wave. Okay, so I will prefer to wait for the breaking of the support here. Okay, then after that retest 2.08929, then continue the selling. Okay, so now I will prefer to wait. Okay, I will prefer to wait for now. It's too near to the support. Okay, it's pretty near to the support area. Okay, so yeah. Moreover, for Pound Kiwi, the spread is a bit high, huh? Okay, so no. I think we will wait for it to break the support first. Okay, just wait for it to break the support. Then after that, then we will take a look how is it like. Okay, you can monitor that. After that, you can update us. Okay, yeah. Okay. What else? Okay, Pound Yen. Okay, let's take a look. Pound Yen. Pound Yen. That's as for Pound Yen. Okay, as for the Pound Yen, there will be selling opportunity. Okay, I'm waiting for Pound Yen to, yeah, just nice. Okay, it tested onto the resistance, has some rejections here. Okay, so Pound Yen, yeah, we can take a look at Pound Yen. I think for Pound Yen we have a good chance here. Okay, for the selling for Pound Yen. Then again is that for the Pound Yen, okay, Pound Yen we have about 16 pips down, okay, and Pound Yen, since the market is still active, okay, there's still good chance there. Okay, that's for the Pound Yen. But remember, Pound Yen we also have this area here, okay, about 27 to take out this area here, right? We have this area here, 27 pips. That's for the Pound Yen. So we can hold on for a little while. Let's see if the Pound Yen works. Okay, almost there, but not there. Almost there, but not there, huh? Okay, for Pound Yen. Hang on, let me see. This one. 1, 2, 4. Okay. Okay. For the Pound Yen, okay, Pound Yen. Pound yen looks like it's pretty okay. Yeah. Pound yen. As for pound yen, I will suggest that probably we can wait for a while. Okay, we can wait for a while to retest back into the area here. Then if there's another lower highs here to sell down, then I think that would be a good time to sell down. Okay. If there's an entry here, if you are going for a selling off, okay. If you are going for a selling off now, you may get the TP, but in the first place, you need to experience one swing. Okay, one retracement before it started to swing down. Okay, yeah. So, okay, alright, that's for the pound yen. Yeah, okay, so just be careful. Okay, pound yen. Let me take a look. Okay. Alright. Yeah, pound yen. Pound yen is on the selling side. My target is at 182.658. 182.658. 182.658. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Alright. That's for the pound yen. Yeah. Okay, so this area here for running about 5 pips down. Okay, pound dollar. How about pound dollar? Okay. We are still stuck within this area here. How I wish that there's at least some movement, you know. Okay, some movement, break above, then hopefully it should go further up. Okay. Okay. Yep. Okay, relax, relax. Okay, yeah. Yes. I'm waiting for it to break it. I'm waiting for it to break the support. Okay. Pound yen stopping down here. Okay, so dollar yen. Dollar yen. No. Okay. Pound dollar. It's still on the support. Okay, it's still on the support. Alright. And no. Wait. Okay. Yeah. Okay, be very careful. Okay. I'm expecting to see some situation like yesterday. Okay, so not surprised. Okay, not surprised to be slow. Okay. Yeah, not surprised that it is going to be slow. Okay. Well, I think at the moment, if we are still following the pound dollar, okay, we should be still see as the general trend. Okay, for the pound dollar, we are still looking out for the selling. Am I right? Okay. However, it seems like we are also getting very near to one of the major support. Okay, as we can see. Okay, as we know, not here. Okay, and should be here. Okay. Okay, it should be here, right? Okay, so once here, all right. So right now we are on one of the support here. Okay. Yeah. So at this point here, well, what to do with that? I think generally, if we can see the pound is actually selling off. All right. I think that's pretty. It looks pretty good. Okay, for generally we can look at the trend is on the selling side, so we should be looking for selling. Am I right? Okay, we should be looking out for selling. However, within that trend, any point of selling, that should also have some support along the way. So let's see if that actually can break that support. Okay, this area of support here. Then after that, there may be a good chance for the selling. Okay, so for now, no. Even now, I'm a seller now. Okay, even I'm a seller. Right, I'm going to wait for the breaking of the support. Alternatively, I'll be waiting for it to go escalate up. Okay, to pull out the space for me. Even for this, the space is also very, very tight. You know, it's so tight. So how I wish that it should escalate up to the point here. Okay, then yeah, from there, then I have a bigger space to sell down. So from here to here, I have about 20 over pips to sell. Okay, so that's one. Okay, that's 1 point. All right, that will be one. Okay, so I would like to wait for it to come to this point here. Okay, before we actually can continue. If not, this is really very, very tough. Okay, have more kahawa, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Slow. Yes, very slow. Yes, Stancy, nice to see you. Thank you so much for coming in. Yeah. All right. Okay, and I think sometimes it's quite common. Okay, it's common that and I think this is not the first time we experienced such a market. Am I right? Okay, it's common. I think sometimes at times we meet up with like CPI, okay, FOMC, okay, on that particular day, you know, the London market is going very, very slow. Okay, seems like they are waiting for the news release, so that they have a way to really go into the price that they actually want. So for now, seems like everyone is waiting. Okay, so it's not really that fantastic to take any trade right now. Okay, yeah. Okay, so just hang on, because if you're going on the selling, they may give a lot of this you know, a lot of ranging consolidation. Anyway, we are in the consolidation, am I right? So I will prefer not to fall into the trap. Okay, we can see if we are going to minimize this, take a look at this area here. Correct, take a look at this whole area here. This is no good. We should be trading on the area like this, you know. Okay, at least we know there's liquidity. Correct, at least we know there's liquidity. If not, no good. Okay, like this is no good. So not surprised that we are going to wait for a long while. Okay, yeah. For the pound yen, similarly, if you can see, right? So pound yen similarly, we also be looking into this area, all right, this whole area here, right? But the thing is that if it's testing on the resistance, which is not breaking, from the resistance it form any selling, at least that will be so much better to see some selling off with about 40 pips. So it's better that way. Okay, it's better that way. All right, pound kiwi. Okay, pound kiwi, good. Now we are testing to break the support. We are testing to break that support now. Okay, KH, are you there? Okay, so look out for the pound kiwi. Okay, so once it breaks through, okay, once it breaks through, I'm going to wait for the retest into 2089.29. Then after that, there may be a good chance to go on the selling. Okay, all right. Yeah, wait for retesting, huh? Okay, so that is one. Okay, so for the pound yen, well, looks like a pound yen we have retested as well into this area here. Okay, so looks like a pound yen. Okay, we have this area here. All right, and this is not a very fantastic area anyway. Okay, it's not a very fantastic area yet. So likely we are going to wait for the next confirmation. As we can see, the candles, okay, we are actually on the big buying side. So we still have a lot of buyers supporting. Okay, so there's a lot of buyers supporting, and we still need to wait, huh? All right. Hi, Angela. What? Okay, just coming over to my YouTube. Okay. All right. Okay, and right, pound dollar. Let's take a look. Pound dollar should be on the escalating side. Yeah, please go further up, faster, faster. It's moving a bit too slow, too slow. Okay, right. Okay, yes. Right. Yes. Yep. No surprise. Not surprised that today is going to be slow as well. Okay, it's going to be common. Like we have analyzed out the 1 whole week schedule. Okay, I think this whole week is going to be very slow. Correct. Yeah. Well, I think selling of pound dollar is always I mean, it's not always, for now it's still good, because as we can see, the pound dollar is still under pressure. Okay, it's still under pressure, so I don't think they can hold it much longer. Okay, yeah, I don't think you can still hold much longer. Okay, yeah. When are you coming back to London? What a question. Okay, yeah. All right, and let's see. Okay. Are you going to buy me something? No, right? Okay. Are you going to fly over to London? I think it's quite near. It's not far anyway, right? Well, anyway, not. What is this? Okay, so hang on. Okay, sorry. I accidentally let me see. Okay, done. Yeah. Okay, so yep, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar for now, I mean as of now for scalpers. Okay, for scalpers only. Okay, if you are confident enough, okay, pound dollar should be on the buy side to take 123.87.7. Okay, all right, it should be still on the buy side to take 123.87.7, but it's very small. The space is so small. Okay, it's about 12 pips there. It's only for scalpers. It's only for scalpers. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Now you can fly without your passport, don't you know? I know. I know I can fly without my passport. Yeah. So, but okay. Okay. Anyway, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I know you're boring now, Hubert. Okay, Hubert is very boring now. He's striking a small talk with me. Okay, so yep, today my Discord is also very quiet today. Yeah. Okay, Discord is very quiet. Nobody's chatting with me. Everybody is feeling so boring with the market now, huh? Okay. Not surprised. Anyway, not surprised. The market is going to be very boring now. Okay, perhaps I want to take a look at the gold. Maybe the gold have some movement. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Okay, the gold is moving towards. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. It's moving towards it's on the buy side now. Okay. So looking at 1947. Then after that should be on the selling side. Yeah, but even the gold is also moving so slow, right? Oh my god. This is really very slow. Okay. So, well, then in that case, just hang on for a little while. Okay. Yes, what's the question there? Do you think that the BRICS will be on the... I have no comment on the BRICS. Okay. No comment on the BRICS. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So personally, I think if anything that goes that is beneficial to the economy generally for the world, I think it should be good. Okay. Yeah. But if anything that's done for personal gains or some, then I think the rest of the world will suffer. Then it's no good. Okay, yeah. Of course, I hope that the economy will get better. Okay, so that everybody can enjoy their life for the next few years. Okay, yeah. Okay, while we are waiting, okay, we can have some small talk. Okay, yeah. All right. So, but now I think the situation here is that it's not chaos. It's not into a chaotic situation yet. Okay, we are now still moving as usual, but they are facing some challenges. That's all. Okay, we are facing some challenges. That's all. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so hopefully there will be some good movement for the pound dollar. Like I said, there isn't anything there. I am so boring today. Yeah, I don't think I'll get enough likes. Guys, would you like to smash the like button for me? Okay. Yeah. So boring, right? Yeah. I mean, when there are times the market is boring, we got no choice. Okay, we really it's really a test on our patience. Okay, it's really a test on our patience. So try not to beat the market. Okay, never try that. Yeah. Of course, I wish to see that the pound dollar should be on the buy side, temporarily buy. Okay, let them have a good chance to recover some losses. Then after that, come back again. Okay. Yeah. But the thing is that as you can see, we are into such a situation like this. So what do you expect the movement to be? We cannot expect much. Okay, we can't expect much. Hopefully this evening. Okay, hopefully this evening, Yeah. Yes, Joshua. Do I speak like Uncle Roger? Really? Okay. Uncle Roger. Okay. Uh-huh. Fuyo. Okay. Let me recall a little bit. Uncle Roger. Yeah. He's in he was in UK. I think he's back in Malaysia now. Uncle Roger is a Malaysian. Yeah. Let me recap a little bit. When I was there, I saw quite a good one there. Yeah. Okay. I like the laughter. Rich man laugh that way. Oh really, Frank? Thank you so much. Okay. Yeah. Hi Frank. I think this is the first time I see you here. Am I right? Well, welcome into our community. It's a very relaxed community. Okay. We are here to trade together and make friends together. Yeah. Uncle Roger. Yeah. Whenever I see Uncle Roger, whenever I hear Uncle Roger, I will always say, Uncle Roger. Yeah. Do you like my fried rice? Am I right? Is that Uncle Roger? Are we referring to the same Uncle Roger? Yeah. All right. Hey, I'm from Singapore now. Yeah, I'm in Singapore. Okay. For Joshua, I should rephrase it again. I'm from Singapore now. I hope you like my live streaming from Singapore. Hiya, correct. Hiya. Oh, Paul Chin. So you are always watching here with me. Yeah. Later he asks you to put MSG into MT4, huh? Yeah. Okay. Yes. Hi Frank. Yes, I will visit Singapore soon. Alright, most welcome. You can always come. Let me know in advance. Alright. Okay. I think that's a very I would say very entertaining essence, huh? From Uncle Roger. Yeah, I'm not sure, but there are some viewers actually feedback to me, okay, that I speak like Uncle Roger. Yeah, I'm not sure why. Maybe that's the slang. Okay, yeah. But when you visit Singapore, right, don't be surprised that you will hear a lot of slang in Singapore, like hi Frank, have you eaten la? Ho, hey, he, who? All this kind of accents. Okay, they are all just an expression. Okay. Something like that. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Yeah. I love to be here live streaming, with all of this because, sometimes when we are trading, we can get a bit of out of our own personal discipline. The best way to get out of FOMO discipline is to chat with a community. Correct? All right. So yeah, like now we are all waiting. Can you see? We are waiting. We have been waiting for pound dollar to open up the liquidity, but unfortunately, it doesn't open up. So we have been chatting past few candles over here. So thank you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much to be here with me. Alright. So I'm the should I say not the imitation? Not the imitation version. Okay, so probably sound alike version of Uncle Roger. Yeah, we have one Roger here, one of the viewers Roger here from Malaysia as well, but he's not Uncle Roger. He's still studying. I think he's still studying in I can't remember where, but it's in Europe. I can't remember where. Yeah, I think he's still on holiday. he just finished his university, so I think he's still on holiday. Yeah, but anyway, thank you very much, guys. Really appreciate your presence here, your companionship here, and of course sharing your ideas in our Discord channel as well. And also, yeah, okay, so this is really very nice. Yeah, at times we really have to wait, you know. Then let's entertain each other. Am I right? Okay, so just let's entertain each other. Yeah. Yeah. So Frank, if you're coming to Singapore, are you coming here for holidays or are you coming here for business? Yeah. Okay, I can give you some travel tips. Okay, some travel tips. Yeah. So I think in Singapore, I think for holidays, I see. Okay, I think for holidays, Singapore is very small, right? It's very small. It's an island. Okay, so pretty small. So, but the thing is that, okay, you can find a lot of entertainments. Okay, depending on what kind of entertainments you're looking for. Right, although it's small, but we do have plenty of entertainments, but not a lot of adventurous entertainments. Okay, not a lot of adventurous activities. Okay, for my friends in Europe side, okay, they love Singapore delights, local delights. Okay, so they avoid shopping malls, food from shopping malls like restaurants. They always look out for some local, we call that the hawker center. Okay, we call it a hawker center that you will be able to find a lot of local delights, you know. Yeah, right. Enjoying my show. Oh, thank you so much. Let me see. Where are you from? Kushukurua. I hope I pronounce your name correctly. Okay, because I find that to respect you, I will learn to pronounce your name correctly. All right. Okay. Yes, there are bar foods. Yes, there are. All right, there are plenty. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Joshua. Uncle Eric cooked the best 5 pips. Thank you, Joshua. That's a nice one. Okay. Yeah. Oh, you're from Uganda. I see. We have many viewers from Uganda. All right. Yeah, Uganda. We have many viewers there as well. Oh, thank you so much. All right. Yeah. Okay. Sometimes, you know, in Singapore, in the 80s, okay, so a lot of Singaporeans started to learn English, you know. They started to learn English. So by the time in about 90s, you're from California. Wow, my God, this is really far. Thank you so much for staying up. Oh, thank you so much. Wow. Right, I hope you like the channel here. Today is really very, very slow. Okay, really very slow. Right, so we will just need to entertain ourselves for a little while. Okay, yeah. Pound dollar is escalating up. I'm waiting for pound dollar to hit 123.877. Huh? Okay, so there may be a good chance of selling down, or even to break above to go to 124.015. Okay, yeah, right. Okay, so to continue my story, during the 80s, we are a lot of them trying to learn. Okay, then until 90s, even the senior citizens, okay, that means the old, okay, the old age, they started to learn English because nowadays children in Singapore speak English. Okay, although we are Chinese, but we are not from China. We are born Singaporean, but our race is Chinese. So we don't really know how to speak Mandarin that well, so we are quite well versed in English. All right, but of course we have some slang here, huh? Okay, so the senior citizens, that they will also try to communicate with their grandchildren, so they will learn English as well. So, you know, fried rice, they will say Asian or Chinese. Okay, Asian, we have different countries, like you know, Asian, we have Thailand, you have Thai, you have Indonesian, we have Malaysians, you know, but Chinese, usually Chinese from China, am I right? Okay, but Chinese are all over the world now. So we are born Chinese, we are born Singaporean, but we are in terms of race, we are Chinese. Yeah, so this is how Singapore it works. We have Malays, okay, we have Indians, we have Chinese. These three are the main, should I say native, right? Main races in Singapore. We have Europeans. We have a lot of Europeans. We have a lot of Americans as well. Okay, staying in Singapore. Yeah, so it's a multiracial country. Yeah. So sometimes it's not surprised that you will hear something like, especially fried rice. You know, don't get mistaken when they say things like, "Sir, would you like to have fly rice?" Flies rice. Okay. Okay, let me do this. All right. Okay, they may have flies, lies. Would you like to have fly lies? Sometimes, you know, some of my European friends are, what? Do you eat all this exotic food? Fry lies. Okay, it's because of their pronunciation. Okay, so actually they are talking about fried rice. Okay. Okay, so you can eat flies? You can eat lice? My God, are you sure? Okay, no, not really. So sometimes they, you know, egg, egg, right? They will find, do you want egg? Number 8. They will also pronounce 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so pardon the senior citizens here, huh? Okay. Kingdom, sometimes they call it condom. Okay, so Coca-Cola, you know, sometimes they will Coca-Cola, so they will, "Sir, would you like to have a Coke?" What do you mean? Do you like to have a Coke? I have a Coke. No, do you want to have a Coke? Or you want to have a Sprite? You want Sprite or Coke? No. I want to have a Coke. Oh, you want to have a Coke? Okay. Okay, that meant to be a joke, huh? Okay, but it's interesting. It's interesting, huh? So sometimes, you know, some very old people, yeah, ice Coke. Yeah, all right. So sometimes you want to have a coffee. They don't call it coffee. They call it, "So would you like to have a kopi?" Kopi. Kopi. Okay, so they pronounce coffee as kopi. All right. So pardon the senior citizens, but well, okay. As like you know, forex. Okay, they call it Rolex plus forex. They call it forex. Rolex plus forex equal to forex. Would you like to have forex? Yeah, you're right. The R and the L. The R and the L is the key that they cannot pronounce that the essence of the pronunciation on the R and the L is not that sharp enough. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, for pound dollar we hit onto 123.877, but now we are pulling up with a little bit of space here to the support. We have about 17 pips. So let's wait to see if we have a chance, okay, to see if there's a selling opportunity, huh? Okay, yeah. So when you come to Singapore, all right, we have Universal Studio, okay, Universal Studio Singapore, small, but it's not exciting. It's okay to go around, right? So we have some local delights food that I can recommend you, okay, right? I can recommend you, okay. Nice some nice stores, all right, that I brought some of my American friends there and my European friends there. They love the food there, okay. There are a variety of Chinese food, okay, as well as Indian food, okay. Okay, so yeah, you can one-stop try all at a very economical price. Very, okay, yeah. Okay, if you're going to search up on Google of this, you have Singapore, we have Marina Bay Sands, MBS, or Garden by the Bay, Satay Club. All this is going to be very expensive. It's going to be very expensive. Yeah, right. I like Chinese fried rice. Oh, really? Ah, okay. We have various. We have a variety of fried rice. Okay, we have Chinese fried rice. Chinese fried rice is one category. So within that category, we have I think we have salted fish fried rice. We have some Yangzhou fried rice. Then some crab meat fried rice. We have some shrimp prawn fried rice. Yeah, we have some roasted pork fried rice. We even have beef fried rice. Yeah, many different types of fried rice. Yeah. So, how many of you are coming together with you? Yeah. Yeah, native speaking la. Yes, I have to get these things la 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 into Frank's mind when he landed in Singapore. What is the most popular foods in Singapore is identified with Singapore food? Okay, we have. If we are talking about local delights, we have things like rojak. Okay, we have this thing. Yeah, rojak. Okay. Oops. Rojak. Okay. Rojak is something like some fruits. Okay. It's just like a Chinese salad. It's just like a salad, but it's in a different way. Okay. We have fruits, pineapple, apple, or pears, and some bean curd. Okay, they're going to mix them together. Okay, in prawn paste, shrimp paste, whatever you call. Okay, then they mix it up together. Well, it's nice. And we also have chili crab. Okay, which is going to be very expensive in Singapore, and it tastes normal. That's what I think, huh? I like the food market in Singapore near the banks. I can't remember the place. Oh, you are talking about this Lau Pa Sat. Am I right? Yeah, I think Lau Pa Sat. Okay, I think that's the one. Well, yes, that is a place where a lot of tourists will go. Okay, you get to taste what is the food in the local delights. But if you want to taste the delicious local delights, okay, I think there will be another place called Old Airport Food Center. Yeah, correct. We no longer call them hawker center. We call them food center. Yeah, we have a change of name. Old Airport Food Center. Yes. Oh yeah, the pound dollar is ascending. Very good. Yeah, we are pulling out the liquidity now. Okay, that's good. Right, EU is doing well. Very good. EU. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, we'll come back for the food. Okay. Yes. Alright, very good. EU. Okay, pulling out for the space up there. Alright. We are. Okay, look out for this EU, look out for this area here, alright, this area. Once it breaks through to set up another buy signal, we are moving ahead. We are moving up again to 1072.85. Okay, but this resistance is not easy to break. Okay, right. So that's one. Okay, so another one for the pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar generally we are looking for the selling. Okay, so I won't be buying even it's going up on the buy side. Okay, my target will be here around this area of 124.015, once it stopped here, it's going down for the selling, I will take action. Okay, yeah, right. Yes, JJ. Okay, yes, that's the one the taxi driver recommended. Yes, this is the one. Yeah, Old Airport Food Center. Yes. Okay, so yeah, I will go there quite often. Yeah, I love the food there. Yeah, okay. Whenever I travel, after I travel and I come back to Singapore, I will go there for my dinner. Yeah, okay. If you are coming here with a big, a groups of 6 or 10, I think it will be good because you will get to you will have a chance to order every variety to try out. Okay, yeah, and Singapore also have this called this what's this called? Hokkien fried prawn noodle. Okay, yeah, the word you can Hokkien, yeah. The first word is called Hokkien fried prawn noodle. Yeah, okay. Right, and okay. Yeah. Okay, over here. Thank you, definitely planning trip. Okay, so for Frank, okay, and you can join in the Discord. Yeah, if you need more guides on the Singapore trip, yeah, we can discuss that as well in the Discord as well. There was a popular movie film in Singapore that was fun. Yes, Laughter. The popular movie. I'm sorry because I don't really watch. I don't really have time for movie. Are you talking about Asian crazy rich Asian or something like this? Something like this. Crazy rich Asian. I think something like that. Or rich crazy Asian, something like that. Yeah. Oh, thanks for the tips. No worries, no worries. Yeah, no worries. Let me know. Join the Discord and let me know if you happen to be in Singapore. If I'm in Singapore, okay, we shall meet up. Okay, we shall meet up, and I shall bring you around for the local delights. Okay. Yeah. If you love some photography, videography, I think some we can MBS, Marina Bay Sands, Fullerton. Okay, Fullerton, around that area. Yeah, usually that's the tourist area. Yeah. Are all rich? No. Okay, at the very least, I'm not the rich one. Okay, yeah, all right. Not all are rich. Okay, it depends on how you define rich. Okay, it depends on how you define rich. Just like some neighboring country, they define Singapore are all rich. Okay, but not necessary. Okay. You are the wealthy one. Thank you very much. No, I'm not. Okay, I'm just trading to make some living. Okay. Yeah. But when you come to Singapore, as I have traveled around, okay, in the past I used to think in a way that Singapore is so boring. Singapore is really very boring. But after I travel for the past 13 years, except for the COVID, all right, I still think I will still prefer Singapore. Okay. I mean in terms of Asia, yeah. Australia or Japan, yeah. Singapore, Australia or Japan, yeah. That will be in my mind. Japan is because of the politeness they have everywhere. Okay. Singaporean, there's one thing for sure. Okay, you don't have to go to the beach to look out for bikinis. Okay, you can just sit down in front of one Fullerton, which is just opposite the Marina Bay Sand. Okay, which we have a bar, a stretch of bars there. Okay, you can enjoy your drink and you can see beautiful girls jogging in their bikinis or their sport bra. You know, very beautiful, very beautiful scenery there. Scenery. All right. Okay. Yeah, even in Orchard Road is a high-end shopping street. Okay, you can see people are jogging after 5 o'clock. Okay, on the street. Okay, yeah. So it's very safe. One thing, what I'm trying to say is that it's very safe country. It's a very safe country. If you find a place, if you're alone in the food center, okay, when you see a packet of tissue paper on the table, please do not sit on it. That means somebody reserved that. Okay, and lately it's so crazy to the extent. There are people even leave their Hermes bag, LV bag on the table just to reserve the table because they are alone, and then they went off to order some food. Can you imagine? It's so safe. Okay, but please don't try that, huh? Singapore is low crime doesn't mean no crime. Okay. Okay, just bring along a pack of tissue paper, put on the table. That means okay, this table is being reserved. That's it. Okay. Yeah, wasn't Singapore in the major news a long time ago? It involved public whipping. Do I remember? Yes. But not that anymore. Okay. Yeah. So not now. Yeah. It's really very safe. Yeah. Totally, it's very safe and very clean. Yes, indeed. Yeah. Singapore air, I would say, is clean, but I cannot say it's fresh. Because when I travel to some other countries, yeah, when I take a deep breath, wow, it's fresh and clean. Like New Zealand, you know, in New Zealand, yeah, okay, like in like example, like Queensland, New Zealand, yeah. Then you know, some rural area, of course, the place is, the air should be fresh. Singapore is clean. We built in a way that it's like a garden, so everywhere is trees. So it's hot, but it's hot. You can stand under the tree. You know, it's always shaded. You know, but Singapore is a humid. It's a humid country. The humidity is very high. Okay, the humidity level is very high. Yeah. Okay, because we are an island. Okay. Yeah. So, but in general, like sometimes when we met quite a few times. Even myself. Okay. When if you forgotten your handphone, you can go back to the food center, ask around the food store where where you seated around there. Okay, most of the time the store owner, okay, they will safe keep your handphone, okay, until you come back or you call them and they can ask you to come back and collect. Okay, but you never ask them to send it to you. They will never do it. Okay, because Singapore is really quite a fast-paced country. Okay, so if you're going to try our public transport, okay, like MRT, the mass rapid transit, a train, subway, you can see people are walking really very fast. Okay, we are the second now. Okay, apart from Japan. Last time was Japan, Hong Kong, Singapore. So now we are going faster than Hong Kong. All right, so Japan, Singapore, then Hong Kong. Yeah, people are walking very fast. So try to walk on the left side, and if you're taking escalator, try to walk on the left side, because left side means you can stroll your life. Okay, but on the right side, people are always overtaking, you know, just like driving. Okay, if you're on the right hand drive, the right side is always on the overtaking lane. Yeah, so and when you're on the escalator, anyone who's standing on the right side, Singaporean will not do anything, but they will know that, okay, you are foreigner. Okay, so just stand on the left side. Even you are walking, you walk on the left side. Okay, yeah. So that you know, there's a lot of overtaking. You know, even myself, I walk very fast. Sometimes when I first go to like oh, the transportation network is fantastic. Alright, it's good. It's good. Yeah, it's good. Although I drive, okay, but I did try. Okay, I did try. Okay, so since during the COVID period, okay, I tried to take the public transport, like the subway. Okay, it's so cheap, like $1 to $2 or $3, $2 Sing. It can bring you very far away. Okay. Going to sleep. All right, laughter. Yeah. Okay. Pound dollar. Just take note. Okay. Yes. Yes. You can get around with public transit. Yes. Very convenient. Very, very convenient. Yeah. It's very convenient. Yeah. And at very low cost. Very, very low cost. Okay. $2, $3. Yeah. You can get to your destination. Sometimes even lower than that. Okay. Hi David. Wow, nice to see you here. Thank you so much for coming in. Today we are experiencing very low volume, very low liquidity. Finally there's some. I'm waiting. Now the pound dollars somehow they give some chance for us to sell. Okay, but not yet. Almost there, not yet. Okay. In Singapore, it's good to get around with taxi, but taxi in Singapore is costly. Do you know there's a thing called I don't suggest taxi. There's a taxi. Yeah, you can download the apps. Yeah, nowadays we don't hail a taxi on the street anymore. We use the app. Okay, so you will call, you will do what do you call that? Booking. Yeah, booking call from the taxi. Yes, taxi is metered. Yes, it's metered. Yes, and no worries, it's all regulated. No taxi driver will ask for extra. Even you give them tips, they will be very happy. You don't have to give them, they are also very happy. Okay, but nowadays we use apps. Okay, you can download this thing called Comfort. Is it Comfort? No. Okay, I know this app very well because in Singapore, when you drink, you don't drive. So make sure you have this app. Okay, to call for the taxi. Okay. Yeah, no Uber. Yeah, we only have taxi and Grab. Okay, but when you come to Grab, I wouldn't want to comment that much because I'm on a live stream. But you can use this. Okay, this app called CDG ZIG. Okay, you can download this app and you can connect with your credit cards. Then after that, yeah, you can transact, or even you can use cash. No problem for them. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm waiting for. Yep. Let's come back here. We used to have Uber, but I think Uber withdrawn many years back from Singapore. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. For the gold wise, okay. For the gold wise, I'm waiting for the gold to escalate up to 1947. Then after that, I'll be looking out for selling down. I'm waiting for it to sell down from 1947. Okay, David? Yeah, that's for the gold. So tentatively is still on the buying side. Okay, as for the pound dollar, general trend is on the selling side. Okay, but I'm waiting for H4 opening. I'm waiting for H4 opening to sell, or alternatively, there may be some selling signal down here. All right, 123.69, 123.69. I am looking into 123. No, I think should be 123.69. Yes, it's possible, but I'm looking out to 123.170. 123.170, but that's about, that will be a long term. We need liquidity to achieve that. Okay, yeah, that's the Asian low. Yes, so this area, right? Okay, you're talking about this area, so that's why I'm waiting for the pound dollar to pull out. Just now we were so boring, we were chatting. Now finally it pull up, you know, so pull out the space so that later we can have a chance to sell. But tentatively, it's almost there. Okay, it's almost there, but we still need to have some confirmation. I'm waiting for, because it's tested onto this area here, okay, at 123.877. So I'm waiting for a retest to form another lower highs. Then we shall shoot for a selling. Okay, then we shall shoot for a selling. All right. Okay, so I'm waiting for a lower high. I'm waiting for a lower high here to shoot for the selling. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. So we should have another 10 minutes to go. Okay. Today I'm going to extend to another 10 minutes. Okay. Yeah. I'm supposed to have a meeting, but the meeting was being postponed for 15 minutes. So I have 15 minutes more for you. I'm on the 5 minutes time frame, Frank. 5 minutes time frame. Okay. Yeah. Frank, you can join our Discord channel. Okay. So if you happen to be here, let me know. Okay, I love to meet friends. If I'm in Singapore, I love to meet anyone out there. Okay, yeah. Okay, so yep, and do you drink like beer? If you drink, in Singapore we have many nice places to drink. Yeah. Very many nice places to drink. We can drink by the sea. We can drink by the in front of MBS. Okay. Yeah, you can even drink at on top of MBS. But I've been there once. I find that okay, it's high up. Okay, it's really high up, but not much of the ambience. The ambience is good. It's very high class, you know, but personally I think okay, that's quite normal, you know. I like to drink by the sea, by the river, where there are more, you know. Yeah, it depends on individual anyway. Hi Casey, nice to see you here. Yeah, Casey is in our Discord. Thank you so much for the contribution. Most of the time, yeah. Okay, a lot of contribution from Casey. Yeah. Okay. And yeah, I have done with some of my travel trip. Yeah, so I'm back here with all of you. Yeah. Okay, so I'm waiting for pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Just now we were here. We were so near to the support, to the Asian low. So finally it pulls up. Okay, it pulls up, and then now finally, okay, yeah, finally it started to hit onto my 123.877. Okay, so yep. So let's see Okay, let's see if it's going to retest this area to form another selling, and that's where I will be thinking of selling from there. Okay, but do remember it should be only a scalping. Okay, it should be only a scalping area here. Okay. Right. Okay. Right. Yes, Bradley. Yeah, GUTP buy to 123.87. Just back from shower. Oh my god. Okay. All right. Congratulations. Okay. Well done. Well done. Yeah, Bradley is our scalper, huh? Very good scalper. Okay. Right. And yes, Christopher. Okay. Right, Christopher, yes. We are also looking into this pound yen. Okay, Christopher looking to pound yen. Okay. Oh, pound yen. Pound yen wise, yep. The just now was testing into this area, it pulls back. Yeah, now we have another lower highs here. Yeah, so that should be quite a good one on the scalping side. For pound yen, okay, for pound yen guys, do remember we are looking into this area. Just now we were saying that it should be coming into this 182.96.8. Yes, it reached there. This area are an area ready to sell, and it should be reaching out for this low here. Okay, 182.66.2. 182.66.2. Okay, slightly. Okay, let me check. Okay. One 182.66.2. Okay. 66.2. Okay, about 66.2. Okay. Yeah. Around here. Okay, so from this area, the opening. Okay, so look out for the pound yen. Okay, this area here. All right, this area for the selling down to 182.66.2. Okay, guys, I'm sorry for the drilling sound. Okay. Okay, so right, and for pound dollar, okay, we have one highs here. We have taken out the Asian high here, right? And now I'm waiting for it to have another lower highs to go for the selling, right? If it's not having it, then it may continue to go up. Then let's wait for it to achieve 124.015. 124.015. Okay, then I think that will be a good chance for us, but more space and a good selling. Okay, by then it should have more space and good selling from there. Okay, yeah, just like earlier on we are so boring. Okay, thank you Frank for bringing up the topic to brighten up everybody and to bring the FOMO away while we are waiting. Correct. That's why I say when we chat, when we trade as a community, yeah, we are actually into the chat so that we are not having any FOMO. We can avoid FOMO as well, right? Okay, yeah, and also John, yeah, Joshua, not John, Joshua. Joshua was saying, hey, you speak like Uncle Roger. Yeah, Uncle Roger, huh? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, we need to make money, but also need to have fun. Exactly, you're right. That is the point. Yeah, that's the point, huh? Yeah. Okay. So this area, if we are going to do some scalping, do remember, guys, if you are selling off for this is a scalping area, huh? Okay, please don't stretch too much. Okay, because any point of time it will still pull back a little bit. We have, in fact, we are very near already here. Okay, 123.78.7. This area may be a rebound. Okay, this area it may be a rebound with the supports here. Okay, so take note. Okay, this may rebound to go higher. I hope it rebound to go higher, so that when it touches the resistance up there around here 124.015, then it started to sell off. We have more pips to get. We have more space to trade. Okay, we have more space to trade. Okay, all right. So it should be around this area 123.787. It should have some rebound. Okay, it should have some rebound there. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Yeah. And yes, Sabrina. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, Bradley is a sharpshooter. Yeah, Bradley is a sharpshooter. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And okay. Then what else? Okay, take a look. Okay, this may be one. Okay, this may be one. Okay, this area that the price will rebound to go higher. Okay, or even to come to this resistance area that it may start to form a lower highs to continue the selling. Okay, so that's one. All right, that's one, huh? Yeah. Yeah, I just follow every instruction. Yeah, Bradley says he just follow my instructions. But remember, I'm not a signal provider. Okay. Okay. Yes, David. I saw that 123.910, 123.910. Okay, which is good. Okay, 910 here. All right. Because of 1 minute break of structure and the liquidity sweep of Asian lows, retest on the resistance. Okay, right. Okay, so M1, huh? M1 over here. Okay, let's take a look. Okay. Yeah. Right, so over here, breakout structure here. Okay. And okay, that's, I mean, if you're basing on M1, yes, okay. Yes, that's okay. Just need to take note of this area in this area of 123.787. This area, okay. Yeah, a bit, yes, I mean, there's a bit difference because we are using different brokers, or then they have a different liquidity provider. So there's a little bit, it may differ a bit, okay? Yeah, so 123.787 over this area here, okay, this range here. So this range is an area that is not easy to break, okay? So, I mean, it's not that not easy. It's an area that it may have some support. Okay, it may have some obstruction here to continue the selling. All right, so just take note of this area. Okay, yeah. So, but once it pass through this area, high chance it's going to take the low. Okay, very high chance it's going to take the low once it pass through this area. Okay, yeah. Okay, high chance it's going to take the low after it pass through this area. Yeah, so I'm going to wait for 124.015 to sell. Will there be any chance that it will hit that? Okay, any chance that it's going to hit 124.015? Okay, over at this point here. This is a point where I take a look at the general resistance, and also consider the flow of yesterday. Okay, yesterday flows. that I come up with this 124.015. Should be around here. Okay, slightly above. Okay, then this should be the area that when it comes to this area, if this is going to stay below, it will continue the selling off even lower. But if this is going to break above, then it should be going up to take up the liquidity up there, which is about here, right? This area here. About 124.292. 124.292. So this area 124.015. Okay, so if it's going to stay below, okay, if it hits here and stay below, it should go lower to slightly lower down to about 123.170, which we have a lot of space down there, about 60 pips. But if this is going to break above, then I'm going to look out for 124.292. Okay, it should be going up to 124.292. All right, so that is one. Okay, so this is the point that I see that this is the point where the price is at 124.015, which will give a good push down, or it may goes up to 124.292. Okay, so just look out for that price. All right, so just be very careful. Okay. Yeah, so once again, coming back here, David, right? David, yeah, you can see it hits on this 123.787, and now it got rejected. Okay, right? So once it forms up as a buy, if it forms up as a buy, if you're willing to hold, okay, first, if you're not willing to hold it, then you can cut it for a profit taking. If not, you can wait for lower highs. If any lower highs that comes along below 123.877, you can continue to hold. It's a sign that it will still continue to sell down. All right. If not, it should be looking out for 124.015. Okay. Right. So just be careful with that. Okay. I just place it this way. Okay. So yeah, just take note. Okay, because this price, this area here is this area here, we can see 123.787. Okay, is 1. Okay, right. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so let's see. And oh yes, Christopher. Christopher from Hong Kong. Yep. I'm wondering why you're always so. Huh? Why is that? Okay, yeah. Right, so yeah, it should be around here for the pound dollar, huh? Pound dollar, yes. Okay. Well, okay guys, thank you so much for today. I think yeah, that's the plan for the pound dollar, so just take note. Okay, just take note of all these. All right, then after that, yep, I think that should be all. We should take note for all these points to continue trading with the pound dollar, but I think it will still go around within this range only. Okay, because we are waiting for the CPI for the candy today, and tomorrow, this whole week, we are going to be very slow because of the FOMC. Okay, so guys, just take note. Okay, and I shall come to an end for my live streaming today, and I'll be back tomorrow once again. Okay, so shall wish you good luck in your trading, and also with bountiful of profits. All right, thank you so much, guys. I shall see you again tomorrow. Thank you guys. See you again. And do remember to smash the like button for me. Okay. Alright. Thank you so much. See you again. See you.